Now there are free thinkers. They never say they are Buddhists or Christians or Muslims or Hindus. No label. But do you think they behave as barbarians? If you observe very carefully, some of them are far better than those so-called religious people who claim they belong to this religion or that religion. By knowing certain things are bad, immoral, harmful, they try not to do. That is understanding. Not because of God, not because of punishment, not because of hell, knowing these things are wrong. Again, they do lot of services for the well-being of others, to release others' sufferings and troubles and problems and difficulties without expecting any reward from God. They have no heaven, no God, no hell, no rebirth, no karma, no soul, nothing. But they live as human beings. So they keep away from bad things. They do lot of good things without using any religious label. Why? Although they do not use any religious labels, they practice religious principles. Without them, we belong to this religion. Religious principles are there. Therefore, not necessary to say we are Buddhists. That word is not important. The Buddha was not a Buddhist. Jesus was not a Christian. We have given this label for them. We must try to be good, to do good as much as possible. Then we are very good religious people. You can give any label. It is immaterial. On the other hand, among the followers of other religions, Christians, Muslims, and Hindus, we have been associating with them. Some of them are better than Buddhists. Their kindness, compassion, honesty, all the good qualities, they have developed quality in their mind. Therefore, we cannot say we Buddhists are the good people, religious people in this world. That is egoism. Try to avoid this. Then we can keep away from hostility, discrimination, to live peacefully with others. Recently, I was invited to give a talk at International Islamic University on Buddhism. After my talk, somebody got up and asked, why Buddhists do not believe in God? I asked, who told you? Who told you that Buddhists do not believe in God? You are wrong. Buddhist concept on God is different. Not like Christians or Muslims or Hindus, but Buddhist concept is different. Otherwise, no one can say Buddhists do not believe in God. Anyway, my topic will be, next topic will be that. For you to understand. You must never say, as Buddhists, we don't believe in God. You create unnecessary misunderstanding, hostility, discrimination. Why do you want to create it? I went to attend an international Islamic conference. Invited us to visit there. As soon as I enter into that building, a Muslim group who have come from another country, I think they had never seen a Buddhist monk in their life. Yeah. Straight away, he came, do you believe in God? I said, why not? No argument. Finish. Because that is not the way to ask a question. Eh? Where are you coming from? What is your religion? We are very happy to see you here. By the way, may I know what is your concept on God? That is the what you call cultured way. What state way? Here do you believe in God? See the mentality. When people talk religion so seriously into their mind, they develop some sort of egoism, pride, and they are superior to others.